ground decibels. Hit 95 there for a second. So, like I said, we're gonna put this catback system on and we'll let you guys hear it after we're finished.
2021 Infiniti Q60, two-door coupe, lipstick red. I like that color. It's cool. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So we let you guys hear it before. This is what it looks like after. Factory converter. Then we did a catback ARK system, ARK, from the cat's back, as you guys can see all the way with that X pipe, all bolt on. It fit really nice and clean, very smooth, very easy fit. No problems at all. So we really enjoyed it. It's a really well-built piece of exhaust art. And it looks like art. It's clean. Look at that. There it is. ARK catback system. Let me let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the system that was on it that we took off. That was made by Infiniti. Had like a muffler delete by Infiniti. That's pretty cool. And there's the midsection that we cut off. Took off. I mean, unbolted. There it is. Resonators, midsection. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. And it is the Infiniti 400R. Look at that. Got special badging. Q60 400R. It's a rare car. It's 4.5 seconds, guys. That's what's so special about this thing. And I bet you it's even faster than that with all the upgrades. That's not too loud. It's clean. Go ahead. Yeah, you can hear the blow-off valve. Again. It's good, but not really that crazy loud. More of a commuter style. Go ahead. Right at 89. One more. Go ahead and back it up. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop. Address is 3560 Dickerson Pike. What do you guys think of that body style? I'm surprised they didn't sell a lot of these, like Infiniti was having issues selling cars. They make a really good product. It's really deep tone. Still sounds clean though. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Infiniti Q50 400R. 400 horsepower from the factory. And then he's got some nice upgrades on it. Probably raise it to about 425. And we put an ARK system on it. Catback system. Wow, it's quick. It's pretty quick. I like it. Enjoy, guys.